Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you how I built this React Canva image for watermark editor. So I have also deployed this on my free media tools website. You can check out this live demo. So what this tool does, it actually allows you to select any image file. As you select the image file, we have this controls UI user interface. You will provide your watermark text. You can choose the font size, transparency, and the position as well, and the color of the font. Now let me provide my channel name coding Shiksha, and I provide the font size. You can also control the opacity or transparency, and we have the button here, add watermark. As soon as you do this, you will see the watermark will get added. So I just want to adjust the position, so I will use this X coordinate. So you can see in the middle of it, we can adjust the opacity here. So it will look something like this. If you are interested, you can download the image. You can see that the image downloads. So it's a simple image watermark editor, guys. You can change the color here. Let's suppose I want to change the color to black. You can see you can adjust the opacity here. You can adjust the font size if you want bigger. You will see we can adjust the Y position as well, which is the can adjust it. You can see that. So all these parameters you can control, guys. It's very easy to do. So this is actually the React project here. If you are interested in this, you can purchase the full source code of this project. The link is given in the description. You can go to my website procodestore.com. After you purchase it, you will be redirected to Google Drive, where you will get this zip file. After you extract the zip file, you will get this directory structure. This is the main file here, which contains almost 253 lines of code here. So this is actually the image editor. And in the package.json, you can see we are using the latest version of React, which is 19.0 at the time of recording this video. So before purchasing it, you can actually look at this tool. It is deployed here. At the checkout page also I've given the link. So this is the thing here. You can use different fonts. You can see that you can adjust the positioning, transparency, everything you can control right here. See, if I increase this, it will move downward. So you can also right click and save this image as well, like this. So you can see the watermark will be added. So once you get the source code, guys, you can directly modify this. You can also deploy this as well. You will get full commercial right. You can adjust it and add some more functionalities to it. You will get to know about how I built this image Canva image watermark editor. And if you are basically doing it for the very first time, after you extract it, what we need to do, we simply need to first of all invoke this command npm i. So this will install all the Node.js modules which are mentioned in the package.json, and then you simply need to say npm run dev. So this will, npm run start. So this will start the application locally at localhost 3000. So just you need to do this. So it will start this application. You'll see at the localhost 3000. So you can run this application locally after you purchase it, the source code. This is the first step, and you can see the application will open. Again, you do the same thing. You can see that you can adjust all the options. So if you want to build this and deploy this, it's very simple. The command npm run build to build out this React project, and it will create this build folder, which will be the static project here, which will contain the HTML, CSS and JavaScript minified code. So this is actually the tool, guys. If you are interested, you can try this tool before purchasing it, and you can purchase it. And thank you very much for watching this video. And also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools regarding audio, video and image, and I will be seeing you in the next video.